Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is breaking out, the stock market is breaking out. We made huge gains if you've been buying with me down at the bottom, which is incredible. Congratulations to all of you. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button down there on your phone, hit that thumbs up, push the algorithm. Let's jump into Bitcoin and the crypto markets and the stock markets now. We're going in the market pumping and Bitcoin looking like it's going to have a breakout here. I closed my long earlier today in the profits, but it's looking really strong. The stochastic turning up very strongly. We're getting this big candle heading up. On the 4 hourly, also looking very strong. The only thing we got to be careful of is the FOMC meeting starting soon. Also, NEAR is up 19%, Ethereum Classic 9%, Coinbase 12%, ADA 7%, BNB 6%. BNB pushing very strongly. I shouldn't have closed that long earlier today. Tesla 4%. We're looking really strong. Ethereum 4.3%. Let's go back into Bitcoin. And total market cap 2.3% up, and Bitcoin is breaking the resistance line right now. Look at this resistance line. It's breaking through this channel. You can see on the hourly it's heading up, on the 4 hourly it's heading up. And if we continue here, we've got volume coming in. We do have the FOMC meeting coming out, but it broke that resistance line. It's trying to push through, right? It's actually through right now on the 15 minutes. It's through on the hourly. If we can get a strong breakout here, the next resistance is all the way up at 18,000. So I'm going to go long here on Bitcoin. We're getting a breakout. We're at resistance, so I do tight stop loss in case it pulls back. But this is a strong breakout. The only thing that will stop this is the increasing rates on the FOMC meeting. If they don't increase the rates, Bitcoin is going to go for a strong run. I'm going to take this trade on Bitcoin right now. It's 14.7 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $80 to make $1,190. With 10x leverage, that'll be $11,900. I'm going to do a 20x leverage trade, so it'll be $22,000 for every $22,000 risk. So I'm going to open this long right now on Bitcoin. I'm using Bybit. If you want to trade like you're about to see me do, underneath this video, in the description down below, sign up to Bybit down there. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses. Let's jump in. I'm going to open this trade. So it's opening right where we are right now. Stop loss at 16,800 and take profit at 18,080. So opening, I'm going to cancel this long from earlier today that didn't activate because Bitcoin didn't pull down. I'm going to open a trade right now. I'm going at where we are right now. It's a $1,000 trade with 20x leverage. So it's a $20,000 trade. Take profit will be at 18,000. And stop loss will be at 16,800. 16,800. So I'm risking $107 to make $1,300 confirmed. This is I'm going to do a $2,000 trade here with 20x leverage because of the breakout right now. So I'm risking $200 to make $2,626. Confirm. Opening a long on Bitcoin. I'm going to share this in the Telegram group. Confirm. That trade is now open. Let's see if it activates. It's about to activate. It's my order, you can see here with this green dot, it's sitting right under the order price. It's trying to activate, it's activating, the trade is activating right now. The position is it's open. This trade is now active, it's up $1. This trade is quite a big one. I'm using $2,000 of margin. It's a $40,000 trade, 2.3 Bitcoin. That confirmed, it's up $20 now in profits, which is beautiful. That trade is now active, $20 in a few seconds. If this breakout happens though, and it continues, we're gonna have a big run on Bitcoin to $18,083. The only thing that will stop this, and if we can get there, we could have then a massive breakout. This is a big, if you zoom out on Bitcoin, this is a big descending triangle. If it breaks out here, we'll be going to $25,000. So we could have a really big run on Bitcoin. And this isn't just limited to Bitcoin. This is happening on NEAR up 19%. Coinbase, stocks, BNB also massively moving up. Closing that long earlier today was not a smart move because it's breaking out. I did expect a bit of a pullback. It did pull back, but then it just broke out even stronger. BNB is pushing right now against a very heavy resistance here. This is extremely heavy resistance though on BNB. You can see multiple supports here that have now turned on to resistance. So it's a very strong resistance that BNB needs to break through at this $260 mark. Let's go into Ethereum. And I bought a lot of Google, Facebook, Coinbase, and this Ethereum is running. Ethereum actually broke out earlier today. It pulled back a little bit. I closed the long here, but it's looking very strong. It's at a strong resistance, but the same with Ethereum here. It looks like it's going to go for a run. I'll open a long on Ethereum as well. But again, be very wary because of the FOMC meeting. Make sure you have a tight stop loss. This is the trade that I'll set on Ethereum where we are right now. Stop loss just underneath in case it pulls back because of FOMOC meeting. But if this breaks out as well, we could have a big run on Ethereum. The target will be $2,358 if we can get a strong breakout here. So I'm going to open this long. I'm going to put because it's such a massive trade, I'm going to put the stop loss here. So that trade is what I'm going to open on Ethereum. I'll do $1,000 trade, opening at 1,263, stop loss at 1,238, and take profit at 2,358. So I'm opening that on Ethereum right now. I'm opening this trade on Ethereum. But again, be warned that the FOMOC meeting is about to open. If they increase rates, and the market is going to pull back quite strongly. So I'm opening the trade on Ethereum where we are right now. I'm going to do I'm going to open a $1,000 trade. $1,000 trade with 20x leverage on Ethereum. Take profit is at 2,358, and stop loss is at 800. Stop loss is at 1,238. 1,238. Now I'm opening this trade, so I'm risking. It's quite a big risk actually. $400. Why? 1,238. Where we are right now. That's a weird. Take risk 1,238, $1,000 trade. That's something weird. 1,238. It's only $30 movement. It shouldn't have such a big loss. 1,238. Let me confirm that. 1,238. Yeah, stop loss is quite low there. So I need to bring it in closer because the stop loss is risking too much on this trade. So 1,252. 1,252. And take profit at this big breakout trade, 2,358. 2,358. 2,358. So I'm risking $177 to make $18,000. I'm risking $177 to make $18,000 on Ethereum. Confirm, open long. I'm going to share this trade in the Telegram as well. You can see it in the Telegram. Confirm, and that trade on Ethereum is now set. Let's see if it activates. 1-2 order price. It already moved up since the order. Let's see if it can pull back. I want to confirm that this trade opens. 1,262. Yep, the trade now active. So these are the two trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've got a $40,000 trade on Bitcoin and a $20,000 trade on Ethereum. They are now active trades. They are now active. The Bitcoin trade slightly up $8. The Ethereum trade break even at the moment. So those two trades are active on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're getting a breakout here right now with a massive amount of volume coming in. Let's see the total market cap of all cryptos. Total market cap of all cryptos. I'm going to go fresh eyes on this to see what it's telling me. We're getting a breakout, a bounce off the bottom. Most likely no resistance until 821 billion. So about a $45 billion run on the crypto markets, which is beautiful. And this could really be the bottom because this is a descending triangle as well. Usually they build pressure and break out to the upside on descending triangles like this. Build pressure and break out to the upside. So we could be getting a run here on the crypto markets, which is beautiful. Let's look into the NASDAQ now to look at the stock market, because this is not just the stock market. I've also made tens of thousands of dollars today on the stock market. We're getting strong pump. Meta up 3%, Apple 2.2%. Let's look at the NASDAQ to see what that's telling us. On the weekly, very similar pattern, right? Very similar pattern to what you're seeing on crypto market caps. This big descending triangle, if this breaks out on the NASDAQ, the stock market is going to have a big run to 1,300, a 30% run. We could be having a 30% run on the NASDAQ, 30%. Look at that. Amazing. Again, if you want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, in the description, sign up down below to Bybit. You get $30,000 of bonuses. That's where I'm doing my trades. That's what I've set up now. Bitcoin and Ethereum trade is now active. Thank you everyone for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.